Morning, YouTube. Oh, we got turkey. First things first, I don't understand California weather anymore. It was 2 days ago, we almost hit 80 degrees. Not up here, a little bit lower in elevation, but still over here was hitting in the high 60s and 70s, and nighttime was probably getting down to like 55 or 60. Wake up this morning, it's 30 degrees outside, and it's gonna be a high of 57 apparently. To tack on to my other video, we're gonna go back to that job where I dropped off the 310 and built that road, and pretty much gonna watch over this crane truck to make sure nothing happens. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so I got that. That actually fits on the excavator. On the, I don't know, I guess, I don't know what that actual coupler part's called, but it attaches to the bucket. I love it when you auto start this truck and it's cold enough outside. Turns on the steering wheel heater, turns on your butt warmer. Even if you have the AC on, it'll turn on the heat on the truck. Oh man, Dodge, you spoil me so good. My butt's nice and warm already. Nice cold Red Bull already. Oh, happy Tuesday, buddy.
That's what we were looking at yesterday, those outriggers.
Yep.
See how they bend?
Yeah.
That's from the front end coming out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You know, it takes to bend that shit.
Yeah. That's some heavy stuff right there. We've got 2 of those going in there, and I'll show you guys here in a little bit. There's another one over there. I'll show you guys. That's already installed, but I do have the excavator for some support if need to be, if he needs help with anything at least. For sure, all right. It's definitely going down pretty far already.
No, the crumble over here, the shelf. This is going down. Hey, stop.
Want me to tie it off?
All right. I think we're gonna have it's all rigged. Go out there. Yeah, we're gonna need to.
Yep. Damn clay.
Yeah, we need to tie it off.
All righty.
Now all that's gonna be done.
And that's why we got the excavator. All right, so I'm gonna go tie off that truck, keep the front end from coming up, try to get a little bit of weight off the edge. I'm gonna go get my D-ring, some chain real quick. Back into machine, let her warm up for a quick second. See what we can do here. Some downforce on this truck here. All right, well, he just came and spoke to me. We should be good, so let's hope for the best and hopefully nothing weird and sketchy happens. I know you guys will probably enjoy it, but I won't. Heck, no way in hell. No. There's times like these where you wish you had an even bigger machine, but I think I'm fighting a good battle with weight versus weight for the most part. So, see if we stay alive. Been doing some weird, stupid stuff lately. This is another one of it. So, yeah, let you just guys watch. I'll get you guys an outside view of what's going on here. Oh yeah. Fantastic. Well, he just gave me the thumbs up. I guess we're good. We didn't die. As we have these crazy dogs barking, and of course Warren just doesn't even care. He just doesn't care at all. That's funny. He just stares at him going, what the heck are you saying, man? Alright, look at this sucker loaded up. We're all finished up. Nothing bad happened. I'm happy about that part. Let's get the rest of this show on the road. We got stuff to do today. Gotta get a new piece of wood. I knew it was gonna happen sooner or later with this pine because I forgot to order rough oak when I built this trailer. But we'll get that all replaced up here sooner than later. At least gonna do like where the machines always drive on, so like the outers. Don't really have to worry about the center that much, as much. Happy I didn't need any other buckets. It all makes life a lot easier. Okay. I think I got this sucker dead nuts. Let's go check the other side. Oh, be quiet. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. That's the best I've ever loaded this machine. Look at that. That is dead nuts perfect.
Alright YouTube, so I'm going to go ahead and call it on this video. I didn't sign out because there were so many more things that went on throughout the day on this specific day. So I'm going to put those on some other videos, and that's going to be pretty much including working on and around my house and doing the brakes on the F350. So that's going to be on the next video, because if I were to cram all those ones together, this video would have been too long. So I'd rather keep it short and simple and sweet, and then you guys can watch the cluster that goes on the next video. Other than that, thank you again for watching. Hopefully this was just an entertaining enough video. I haven't actually been around on a job for a while that dropped in concrete septic tanks. These things are 1,500 gallons. I believe they weigh around 16 or 18,000 pounds. So it's a lot of weight you don't want to be messing with. I'm happy enough that my customer called me at the right time, that I just got home. I can go down and help him out. This is the second day from cutting in that road for that truck to drip back into for those holes. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like the video. I really do appreciate if you subscribe and just, I don't know, drop down a comment below. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.